Drive de Vilbis is pleased to introduce the Bellavita Dive automated bath lift. Experience new depths of comfort and convenience right now in your own home. The majority of falls in the home occur in the bathroom. Difficulty getting into and out of the tub doesn't have to mean sacrificing a comfortable, immersive bathing experience. With the Bellavita Dive, the next generation in Drive Medical's line of Bellavita automated bath lifts, you can enjoy the baths you love without expensive modifications or hard-to-install products. The lightest and lowest bath lift on the market, the Bellavita Dive lowers users to just 2.6 inches, reclines to a generous 50 degrees, and now features a new patented backrest that can be easily removed by a caregiver for a most immersive bathing experience ever. An easy-to-use floating remote control keeps you in the driver's seat as you get in, out, and find the perfect height and angle for your bath. Its redesigned, larger seat with hygiene cutout also makes it easy to get clean with minimal reaching and shifting. With its patented new dual-column design, the Dive supports up to 300 pounds with unparalleled stability, and its ergonomic slimline design and maximum height of 18.9 inches mean the Dive can be used in almost any bathtub. No plumbing or electrical work required. Why settle for a dip when you can take a dive? The new Bellavita Dive from Drive Medical lets you enjoy the comfort of fully immersive baths safely and independently in your own home.